Hi, I'm Tewoutcho, and for this student symposium, I will be sharing what I learned about community educators' motivations for becoming cool science mentors over the past 4 years. I'm a senior in the Manning School of Business, and I will be graduating this spring with a concentration in finance and management information systems. Here is an overview of today's presentation. Cool Science is a collaborative project between multiple universities and community partners that has 4 components. The first component is the Mentor Art and Science Workshop. The second component is the Youth Artwork Competition. The third component is the out-of-home media campaign. And the fourth is the Art Exhibition Celebration. To assist youth in creating their submissions for the art competition component, we held Mentor Art and Science workshops for 4 years, from 2019 to 2022, that consisted of many lessons presented online or in person by science and art experts. During the 4 years, we had 176 participants. Of those 176, 8 participated twice, 2 3 times, and 1 4 times. The mentors came from a wide range of ages. A majority of the participants were female. The group was somewhat racially diverse, but a majority of participants were white. For this presentation, we will focus on the responses to one of the open-ended questions that asked applicants why they were interested in becoming a mentor. These responses are provided on the mentor application before the community educators participated in the mentor workshop. The mentor's responses were analyzed through content analysis and thematic analysis using an open coding process to find trends and patterns. From our analyses, we identified the following findings. A review of the literature on mentor motivation tells us that people are motivated to become mentors for intrinsic and extrinsic reasons. Overall, the Cool Science applicants provided intrinsic, extrinsic, or a combination of both types of motivations. The length of the responses varied widely, with an overall average word count of approximately 54 when all 4 years were combined. For all 4 years combined, the top 5 reasons community educators wanted to join Cool Science as a mentor were: they want to develop personally and professionally, Cool Science relates to their role in the community, Cool Science speaks to the personal interest of their mentors and mentees, they want to help or work with others in their community, and the opportunities that Cool Science provides. In conclusion, it's important to understand why people are motivated to join programs like Cool Science, because it can help future community art and science programs determine the best approaches for marketing and recruiting activities that capture the attention of community members who would be interested in participating. To learn more about Cool Science, please visit our website or social media platforms.